Good morning. Today, let us embark on a journey of self-love and body positivity through the practice of morning affirmations. As you awaken each morning, take a few moments to settle into a comfortable seated position with your spine tall and your shoulders relaxed. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in, filling your lungs with air. As you exhale, allow your body to relax, releasing any tension or stress. Now, repeat the following affirmations to yourself, either silently or out loud, allowing each one to sink deep into your consciousness. 1. I love and accept myself just as I am in this moment. 2. My body is a temple of love, and I treat it with kindness and respect. 3. As you repeat each affirmation, visualize yourself surrounded by a warm, glowing light. Feel the energy of love and positivity flowing through you, filling you with warmth and happiness. Trust that as you continue to practice these affirmations, you will cultivate a deep sense of body positivity and love that will guide you throughout your day. 3. I am grateful for all that my body does for me every day. 4. I trust my body's wisdom and I honor its needs and signals. 5. I choose to focus on the positive aspects of my body and let go of negative self-talk. 6. I am strong and capable, and I believe in my ability to overcome any challenges that come my way. 7. My body is a unique expression of the divine, and I honor its beauty and individuality. 8. I am worthy of love, respect, and abundance, just as I am. 9. I release all comparison and judgment, and I embrace my own unique journey. 10. I radiate love and positivity and I attract more of the same into my life. Take a few more deep breaths, feeling the energy of positivity and love expanding throughout your entire body. When you're ready, gently open your eyes, feeling refreshed and renewed. Remember that you are a beautiful being of love and light, and you deserve to treat yourself with kindness and respect. May you move throughout your day with grace, ease, and an unwavering sense of self-love. The light in me honors the light in you. Namaste.